Belle. My name is Belle.
Belle?
Mimi.
Mimi?
Yes. Gazel.
Gazer.
Yes.
Friends.
Friend. Jake. Jake.
Very difficult. Minhwan. Hi. 반갑습니다.
Thank you.
Yes. This is a traditional fan.
This is your tradition. It's nice. You have a good experience art and your mother.
Yes. Why? Anyway, you're beautiful, Oma. So we're going to do an arts and crafts. Real, yes.
What's this? Tweezers. What is called this? Tweezers.
Ate, matusok mo yung mata mo. Hindi lang siya basta-basta
I want you
tweezers.
to do something. Look.
Ooh.
Accident. I captured your... You too. You too? Okay. Poor mother.
We're going to design this
Mother.
fan.
Praying.
Just like the other fans. In front. Ayan, kulitan lang.
Wala, naka-video pala. Nakita yung halaksak ng kamupay.
Blue?
Ganyan, no? Tapos ganon. Pwede rin ganon.
Ano?
Sa akin, dito.
Yak!
Pinakapangit sa lahat na. Pwede din ganon.
Cleaning. Ayan. Ito na material. Busy si busy si kuya.
재료가
Manhuan. Ang dami natin ito sa Pilipinas. Sa Pilipinas, benta dito.
puro benta.
Sarap lang isipan lagi. Pwede lang ito kasi, lagi sa mag-check-in. Magaan lang.
Pectos.
How old are you?
I paint.
Oh! Flowers.